check out this mystery YouTube channel with almost 2 million subscribers and making $10,000 to $30,000 every single month just by posting mystery videos. Now, imagine doing the same using YouTube automation to create passive income online. In this video, I'm giving you a complete crash course on how to create monetizable mystery videos using AI. By the end, you'll have your first viral-ready YouTube video to post, and the best part, it'll take you less than 10 minutes from scripting to video creation and editing, all done with AI. It's super easy. You can get millions of views and make a lot of money just from YouTube. I'll show you how to come up with awesome content ideas, write scripts that keep people watching, create pro-level voiceovers, and edit videos like a pro, all without ever stepping in front of the camera. So grab a snack, get comfy, and stick around till the end. By the time we're done, you'll be ready to start your own faceless YouTube empire and watch those views and dollars roll in. First, let's check out this video I made entirely using AI.
On July 2, 1937, aviation pioneer Amelia Earhart embarked on an ambitious journey to become the first woman to fly around the world. But somewhere over the Pacific Ocean she vanished. Was it a tragic accident or something more mysterious? In this video, we'll dive into the theories behind her disappearance and the enduring legacy she left behind. Amelia Earhart was a symbol of bravery and determination. Born in 1877, she became the first woman to fly solo across the Atlantic in 1932. Her success made her a worldwide icon for aviation and women's empowerment.
Pretty cool, right? I'll show you how to make a video like this in under 10 minutes. It's super easy.
Come on, man! That's too easy!
All right, let's kick things off with step one, coming up with awesome video ideas. Wondering how to find those juicy mystery topics that'll hook viewers. It's a piece of cake. No need to spend hours digging around online. We're gonna let AI do the hard work for us. Just fire up ChatGPT and ask it something like, hey, can you give me a list of the biggest unsolved mysteries out there? Boom. Just like that, you've got a whole bunch of killer video ideas. Or if you prefer, you can always hit up Google and search for unsolved mysteries. Trust me, you'll find more than enough to work with. So let me show you how this works in real time. Let's pick a topic together. How about we go with the mysterious disappearance of Amelia Earhart? Now, that's a story that'll get people clicking. What do you think? Pretty intriguing, right? All right, let's dive into the exciting part, writing the script. This is where we really get to hook our viewers and bring our mystery to life. Don't sweat it though. With a little help from AI, we'll have an awesome script in no time. First things first, let's dig a little deeper into our mystery. Fire up Google and type in our topic. You'll find a treasure trove of articles and videos about Amelia Earhart's disappearance. Open up 2 or 3 of the most interesting looking ones in separate tabs. As you skim through, jot down the juiciest bits in a Google Doc. We're looking for those whoa, really moments that'll make our viewers' jaws drop. Now, here's where the magic happens. Head over to ChatGPT and hit it with this. I want to create a YouTube channel in the mystery niche. Please act as a YouTube scriptwriter and provide me with a 1,000-word script for my video on the mystery of the disappearance of Amelia Earhart. I'll provide you with some article information for reference. Then, paste in those key points you dug up earlier. This gives ChatGPT some extra ammo to work with. In seconds, boom, you've got yourself a full script tailor-made for your video. But here's a pro tip. Don't just copy and paste it as is. Put your own spin on it. Tweak the wording, throw in some of your own thoughts, maybe even a joke or two. This way, your video will have that unique flavor that sets it apart from the rest.
Nice.
Step 3, generating the voiceover. Once you've got your script, it's time to create a professional voiceover. You don't need to record your own voice or hire someone. AI can do that for you too. Go to Play HT and click on the new file. From there, filter by narrative and story and choose a voice that fits your video's tone. Personally, I like to go with a deep narrative voice for mystery videos that add suspense.
To the heart of shadows, where secrets dance with moonlight, a lone voice.
Once you've selected your voice, paste in the script and hit generate. You can also adjust the tone or speed in the settings to make it sound just right. Here's an example of how the voiceover will sound.
Amelia's journey began with excitement and hope. She and Fred Noonan departed from Miami, Florida, in June 1937, heading eastward around the globe. They successfully made it through challenging parts of the trip, covering over 22,000 miles. With only 7,000 miles left, they arrived at their last known land stop, Lae, New Guinea.
Sounds amazing, right? Now let's move on to the visuals. Now let's create the video. You have 2 options. The first is using original images, stock footage, and clips you find on social media. This is a simple method and works well, but the second option is more exciting, using AI to create images and videos that fit your content perfectly. This makes your video look better and more interesting, plus it can help keep people watching longer, which means YouTube will show your video to more people. That's why I recommend using AI animation to make your video stand out. Our next step is to generate images. To do this, we'll need prompts. Go back to ChatGPT and type, write an image generation prompt for each line of the story. Now we have prompts for the entire script. Open any image generator tool. I'll use Ideogram AI for this, but you can also use CH Playground AI or Leonardo AI, whatever you prefer. Open Ideogram and sign in with Google, then paste the prompts we generated from ChatGPT. Choose an aspect ratio of 16:9 and add a design filter. Once you hit generate, you'll get 4 images. Choose the 2 best ones and download them. You might ask why 2 images. We'll use one as it is, and the other will be used to create an AI-generated video. Now, copy the second prompt from ChatGPT and paste it in the image generator. Keep repeating this process until you have the last image. Once you've generated all the images, let's move to the next step, creating animated videos. This step will elevate your video quality because still images can be dull and people are less likely to watch them. So let's turn those images into videos. You can use any AI tool you like, try out different ones to see what works best. For now, I use Pika Art. Open Pika Lab and sign in with your Google account. In the dashboard, upload your image and add a prompt for what you want to show in the video. If you're unsure what to write, you can leave it as is or go back to ChatGPT and ask for a breakdown of animation prompts for each part of the script, along with the image generation prompts. ChatGPT has given us the animation prompts. Copy each prompt and paste it into Pika Lab. Then click on Advanced Settings. Add camera controls, and in the negative prompts, include words like ugly, bad distortion, and low quality. Set it to 12 frames per second and a motion strength of 4. Enter a random seed number and click Generate. In a few seconds, your result will be ready. Choose the one that looks best and download it. If you're on a free plan, the video quality might be low and you might be prompted to upgrade. When you click upscale, instead use CapCut's free AI upscaler. Open CapCut, upload your video, click upscale, and voila, your high-resolution animation video is ready. Now export it, upload each image one by one to generate your videos. After creating all the videos, download them and sort them in the correct order to avoid confusion during editing. We're almost there. The final step is to find cinematic background music. Check out the YouTube audio library or search Google for non-copyrighted cinematic background music. Pick a track that matches your video and download it to your computer. Now, let's move on to editing. Open CapCut and import all your materials. Start by dragging the voiceover onto the timeline, then add the videos one by one, aligning them with the voiceover. If the video doesn't match the audio perfectly, adjust the speed as needed. Zoom in on each clip to fine-tune the alignment with the voiceover. Next, apply effects to enhance your video. Choose from various effects that best fit your content. Add animations to the images where appropriate, no need to animate the video clips themselves. Increase the volume of the voiceovers to ensure they are clear. Finally, add background music to complement your video. Once everything is set, export your finished video, and that's it. So that's the end of the tutorial. If you follow the steps correctly and post regularly, the YouTube algorithm will boost your videos and you could easily make $30,000 per month. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more content like this. I've got plenty of exciting tutorials coming up, so make sure to tap the bell icon to stay updated. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.